In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to connect Proof with Facebook ads to supercharge your marketing efforts and improve conversions. This is an easy to follow method that you can start using right away, even if you're new to digital marketing. Stick around because I'll also share a special bonus offer at the end that will save you time and money. First, let's talk about what Proof does. Proof is a tool that helps you increase conversions by showing social proof notifications on your website. These notifications let your visitors see real-time actions from others on your site, such as purchases, sign-ups, or other interactions. Now, when you combine Proof with Facebook ads, you can leverage the credibility of real-time activity to boost your ad performance and turn clicks into customers. To connect Proof with Facebook ads, you'll first need to integrate your Proof account with your website. If you haven't already done this, log into Proof, go to the integration section, and connect your website using either your website URL or by adding a tracking pixel to your site. This part is really simple, and Proof will guide you through it with a step-by-step walkthrough. Once your Proof account is set up on your website, you'll want to link your Facebook ads account to start gathering data. Proof works seamlessly with Facebook ads by allowing you to track and capture visitor interactions, such as form submissions or product views, and then display these actions in your Proof notifications. This helps create a sense of urgency and social validation for your visitors, increasing their likelihood to convert. Now, here's a pro tip. When setting up your Facebook ads campaigns, you should target the right audience and ensure that you're using the correct pixel for tracking. Facebook allows you to create custom audiences based on the actions they take on your site. If you're running ads targeting users who have shown interest in your product but haven't converted yet, displaying proof of real-time activity can push them towards making a purchase. You can also use Proof's segmentation features to show specific messages based on user behavior, like showing a limited time offer to someone who has visited your product page multiple times but hasn't made a purchase. When that user sees a Proof notification showing someone else just bought that product, it creates a powerful nudge that can push them to buy. Here's where things get exciting. You can use Proof's A/B testing feature to test different notifications in your Facebook ads. This lets you see which types of social proof work best for different audiences and which messages get the highest engagement rates. But that's not all. By connecting Proof with Facebook ads, you'll have the ability to track which Proof notifications perform the best in driving conversions and adjust your ad strategy accordingly. This will help you optimize your campaigns and get the most out of your ad spend. And here's the best part. You can try Proof for free through the link in the description below with exclusive bonuses that will help you get started quickly and efficiently. Don't miss out on this special offer. In conclusion, combining Proof with Facebook ads is an incredibly powerful way to increase conversions, build trust with your audience, and maximize the ROI on your ads. It's simple to set up, and the results speak for themselves. Remember, by connecting Proof with Facebook ads, you can turn your site visitors into paying customers faster than ever. If you want to take advantage of the extended free trial and start using Proof today, make sure you click that first link below. Thanks for watching and happy marketing.